Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the fascinating world of the ROKR 3D puzzles for adults, featuring the electric model kit's Marble Spaceport LGC01, a 472-piece marble run brain teaser that challenges even the most seasoned puzzle enthusiasts. This upgraded version of the Marble Night City LGA01 offers both manual and electric automatic modes, providing a unique and engaging experience with features like the transparent acceleration spiral and vertical reciprocating lifting stairs, all powered by gravity to keep those metal balls rolling in a mesmerizing loop. With dimensions of 12 by 10 by 9 inches, this intricate gear transmission mechanism is not only a fun challenge but also a stunning piece of desk decor you'll be eager to show off. The kit includes everything you need, with no glue required, and a detailed instruction manual that makes assembly straightforward, while the black-gray plywood and acrylic materials add a visually striking touch. Perfect as a meaningful gift for anyone aged 14 and up, this space-themed puzzle kit is a great way to enhance hand-eye coordination and spatial thinking skills, making it an ideal project to enjoy with family and friends. ROKR's commitment to learning through play ensures that building this 3D wooden puzzle is not only educational but also a delightful DIY experience. And remember, if you encounter any assembly questions or need replacement parts, ROKR is ready to provide solutions and guidance to keep your creative journey on track.